I have a lot of salad greens for winter. Some of them are red, reddish or brownish color. I like that color. They have a tinge of a red. Some of them, like this kale, have a kind of pinkish or purple veins among them. Some of them, like these lettuces, are completely red. And let's don't forget the Swiss chard, which has a lot of red. And the mustards, which top of them is red. And the oak leaf, the lettuce, which is also red. Beetroots, which eventually will grow red. But as you can see, the red among the greens looks beautiful. I think you will agree with that. So I'm just trying to add to the color palette, not just the edible part of it. Just have a little bit fun with the colors. Look at that beautiful, freely red mustards. All red, flaming red. Bought it from the children's seeds. Okay, red is beautiful when it is in the background of green. And look at what I have here. This is completely new to me. A dragon's tongue rocket, wild rocket. I love wild rocket, especially now that is available in 2 color. Why not? And another seed packet that I have is this, the spinach red-veined F1. That's another beauty. It's more like beetroot, and they are the same family anyway, similar. Not the same family, but similar. So these 2 seeds were available in one of our local nursery, garden centers and nursery, plant nurseries, for 50p each pack. They're available since they are new, 2018. And they just want to sell them because it's September now, and there is a chance that they may not sell. Because most of the people are not growing in the winter. That's just strange. I'm not one of them. I will grow these 2 varieties. Okay, I've made the drill, I've already watered it, I've just sowed the seeds.